You are on this council, but we do not grant you the rank of master.
Now is not the time for this.
For your own good, stay out of this affair. There is much fear that clouds your judgment. If what you've told me is true, you will have gained my trust.
We will use all our resources to unravel this mystery.
I am going to end this once and for all. We're keepers of the peace, not soldiers. Whoever placed that order did not have the authorization of the Jedi Council. I do not believe the Sith could have returned without us knowing. No. Not yet. That's possible. I don't think so. There's no doubt. You have lost. Take a seat. A Sith Lord? This party's over. Boy? It's very dangerous. I don't trust him. So the prophecy says. Unravel the mystery of the Sith. May the Force be with us all.